What if I told you that your old tired plants can grow like brand new without any fertilizer? The secret? Just sand, water, and a little natural ash. Farmers have used this trick for years, and it works like magic. Over time, pot soil becomes hard and compact. Water can't soak in, air can't reach the roots, and plants stop growing. But don't throw them away. We can fix this easily with a few natural ingredients. Mix clean, coarse sand with a bit of wood ash. Sand helps loosen the soil and let oxygen flow, while wood ash adds calcium and potassium to strengthen the roots and boost growth. It's like giving your old soil a breath of fresh air. Step 1. Loosen the top 2 inches of soil around your old plant. Don't disturb the roots. Step 2. Sprinkle 2 spoons of sand and 1 spoon of wood ash evenly around the base. Step 3. Water deeply so the mix seeps in. The sand opens the soil and the ash feeds it naturally. In just a couple of weeks, you'll notice new leaves, stronger stems, and richer soil, all from sand, water, and a touch of wood ash.